There are some prerequisites for this demo. First, you'll have to register for an Alchemy API key at the following URL. Once you've registered, you'll receive an email with your key. You'll need the key to make an Alchemy API call. Also, if you don't have Git Bash, you can download Git Bash from the following URL. Once you've downloaded Git Bash, open the Git GUI and create a new repository. The repository in this lab is named c/gitcode. If you don't have a CF or Cloud Foundry command line tool, then download it from the following URL. Once you have these prerequisites, you're ready to begin. Open the Git Bash command prompt. Clone the Alchemy API sample application written in Node.js by executing the following command: git clone and the Alchemy URL. Open the CMD from your Start Windows prompt and cd to the path where the folder is present. Change that directory to Alchemy API_node. Set the API endpoint to point to IBM Bluemix by executing the command cf API https://api.ng.bluemix.net. Following which, you will have to log in with your IBM ID and password by executing the command cf login. Targeted organizations and spaces will be displayed if you have multiple organizations and spaces. Add the manifest.yml file to the application. The contents of the manifest.yml file are as shown. Host should be unique to run the application in IBM Public Cloud offering. Create an API_key.txt file in the folder that you created and keep the Alchemy API key in that text file. You can now push this application onto Bluemix by executing the command cf push Alchemy API_node in your command prompt. Once the application is running, you can see the application on bluemix.net by logging in with your IBM ID and password. Now invoke the application via the URL testalchemyapi-node.mybluemix.net. We will go through the Alchemy API calls made by the application. The first call will be entity extraction. IBM is the entity in the input text. I hope you've enjoyed learning about IBM Cloud Platform, particularly Alchemy API for building smart applications. And it's a type of company. Next call is to keyword extraction API for the same input text. Within that text, the keywords extracted were IBM Cloud Platform, Smart Applications, and Alchemy API. This is followed by the calls to tag concepts, run sentiment analysis, do text extraction, author extraction, language detection, tile extraction, relation extraction, text categorization, feed detection, microformats parsing, taxonomy parsing, image keywords tagging, and combined parsing. These are the endpoints for the Alchemy API calls being made in Alchemy API_node. You can see a list here. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed diving into Alchemy API.